combination, but I tell you what, I'll show him how. Here he goes. Did he get the two away? Harry Sleeman in hazard. He needs to fire this thing back up and drive it off the pad, or he gets DNF now. He's going to be struggling here, guys. Give him a cheer. Let's get this thing started. He is trying to get it started. The yellow smoke sounding awfully quiet over there. Looks like he might be making his way to the exit. May have to take the score from the first hit, or will he get it off?